10:56. Oh, I'm getting with the bar. Yes, I are. I'm much weaker for the time. Silly TV. Also, I'm trying to make longer videos. But I will stay some tablets so videos and automatically shut off at any time. So, yeah. I am gonna set up a system where, like, every time I upload a video, I'm gonna do that video. Previously know that I done. And, I'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!